So where am I today? This is a nice little area just off Peel Island that I think a lot of people tend to just breeze past. So as you can see, it's a nice little sandy, rocky, shelly outcrop. A few trees, but it's a nice little spot, very secluded, and not too many people could fit here. And the other thing, it's very shallow coming in. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of rocks. It's probably about 0.3, 0.4 of a meter, and we're halfway between tides at the moment. So yeah, as you can see, it's a little sandy bank. Maybe a couple of people could come here and just park and have a little fire. That's allowed. And yeah, and what kind of drew my attention to it was because I don't know if you can see it out there, but there's a couple of snorkelers around, and they were just snorkeling kind of halfway, almost looked like in the middle of the channel. And then I saw some divers pop up as well. So yeah, they were just like, if you go off there, I'll show you in a second, there's a little surprise that not too many people, I'd say, would know about. Okay, we're having a bit of a look just around the sand island. So as you can see, it's very shallow, halfway between tides now. Yeah, so it's probably about 0.4 of a meter, I'd say, 0.4, 0.5 of a meter. So still, oh, look at that little fish. Yeah, clarity, it's amazing on the bay, even clarity, when the winds are calm and it hasn't rained, even on low tide. It's just crystal clear. So I'm just going to check this little outcrop here. You never know what you find. One thing I've learned about jet skiing is never take any ambiguous object or island or structure for granted. You could go there and you could find, who knows, a 100-year-old pirate ship. Okay, that's a bit far-fetched, but you could find something pretty cool. So it's always good to explore and check out everything you see. Like the amount of times I've run around this area, but I have never gone and stopped at many of the sandy patches around Stradbroke Island there. So yeah, clarity's great today. It's winter. Winter is about 20 degrees in the middle of the day, so it's not too cold. Yeah, and one thing, it's really handy when you're doing these jet ski rides to have a Garmin unit. I prefer the Garmin 65. It's tried and tested, so it's a very good unit. All right, here's the other side of the outcrop. So I'm at about 0.4 of a meter now. Trust the Garmin. Yeah, you can pretty much go next to that little rocky outcrop. As you can see right near the island, there's all this coral outcrops. So a few big fish as well. There's some scuba divers out there too. Pretty amazing. See, this is one of those things, I mean, just coming to random spots where you just wouldn't come to. This is just near Dunwich right now, so it's there's just a little beach I saw there, and I thought I'll go have a look over there. I've never looked there before, but some nice little cliffs and great little secluded area to hang out, that's for sure. Especially these little beaches here. Once again, we're looking about 0.8 meters there. So halfway through high tide. Oh, gets a bit shallower here, a few rocks. It's always challenging filming without a GoPro, that's for sure. But yeah, wow. Nice little secluded beach. I'm going to try to get in a bit closer and just navigate around these rocks. See, places like this, you can bring your family, pack a picnic lunch. Yeah, you got grass, you got sand, kids can swim here. Oh, touch shallow. Okay, going to end my video here on the beautiful Dunwich beach, and bring your family here, you can't complain. It's just right near the Dunwich ferry terminal, and yeah, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so I can keep these videos coming.